Donna Brown with Virginia Cook and Associates, the voice of the desert, bringing value home to you. One thing that might be valuable is to know about some road constructions that's starting. I'm here pretty close to the corner of Magnesia Falls and 111, where phase 1 is going to start. They're going to be cleaning, sealing, and repairing some cracks that are in the road, and this is starting on May 19th. So phase 1 is Magnesia Falls East area and continues into various neighborhoods off of 111. So if your kids, or your grandkids in my case, go to Rancho Mirage Elementary School, might want to give yourself a little extra time. There are going to be some deviations on the road. There's going to be some decreased speed limits. Those are big time fines if you're going too fast in construction areas, some detours and things like that. So just give yourself a little extra time. We're going to be working into the night to avoid as much disruption as possible, but this is going to be a little bit of an effort to be done. Phase 2 focuses on Monterey. That's from Clancy to Parkview. So let's take a look at that. This is phase 3 area. It's going to start the western part of the of Highway 111 and Rancho Mirage. So I figure that's about here, coincidentally, where the city hall is. That's going to go from this area down 111 towards Bob Hope. It also might affect the Rancho Mirage Elementary School, so gosh guys, be careful. There'll be ongoing updates from the city of Rancho Mirage, and they hope to be finished by June 30th, weather permitting. If you have any questions, call 760-770-3224. That's 760-770-3224. That's for Rancho Mirage. Or you can go to ranchomirage.ca.gov. That's ranchomirage.ca.gov. This has been brought to you by Donna Brown, Virginia Cook and Associates, the voice of the desert, bringing value home to you. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye. Stay cool out there. If you like this video, press like and subscribe. Thanks.